CPU Explained, Understanding Cores, Threads, and Clock Speed. What makes your computer fast or slow? The answer lies at the heart of your system, the CPU. Often called the brain of the computer, the central processing unit controls nearly every function you rely on, from opening files to running complex software. But when buying a new computer or upgrading, you'll often face confusing specs like cores, threads, and clock speed. What do they mean? And how do they impact performance? Let's start with cores. A core is an individual processing unit within the CPU. Early computers had just one core, meaning they could only perform one task at a time. Modern CPUs now feature multiple cores, dual-core, quad-core, or even 16-core processors. Each core can handle a separate task, allowing for multitasking and smoother performance during intensive operations like video editing, gaming, or 3D rendering. Threads add another layer. A thread is a sequence of instructions managed independently by a scheduler. Many modern CPUs use a technology called hyper-threading or simultaneous multi-threading, where each core is split into two threads. For example, a quad-core CPU with hyper-threading will appear to your system as having 8 logical processors. More threads allow for more simultaneous tasks, but they don't double performance, they improve efficiency and responsiveness under heavy loads. Then there's clock speed, measured in gigahertz, GHz. This is the speed at which a CPU executes instructions. A higher clock speed means the CPU can process more instructions per second. But clock speed alone doesn't define performance. A lower speed CPU with more cores and better architecture might outperform a faster CPU with fewer cores. It's about balance and purpose. Knowing how these elements work together helps you choose the right CPU for your needs. Gamers may prefer high clock speeds for better frame rates. Content creators benefit from more cores and threads for rendering and encoding. Everyday users can find a middle ground that offers smooth performance without overspending. Understanding CPU specs isn't just for techies. In today's world, your computer is a vital tool, whether for work, creativity, or play. Choosing the right CPU affects how you experience that world. Don't let flashy labels mislead you. Learn what really matters. Do you know what your current CPU can handle, and what's holding it back?